was amazing, wasn't it? All the fancy things they were doing up here. I hope you have the energy to do it again in a little
你们怎么
bit.
样啊？完美错过了。
Oh, hey, got some goons. Looks like it's time to take out the trash.
好 OK。
You see, what you have to do is really commit to being mean. That way, when you throw the first punch, they're not ready for it. It puts them on the defensive, and now they're all right. Yeah, get away. Okay, well, as the great American Olympian Noah Lyles once said, I'm incredible.
看那个。
Right? Some of you watch the Olympics. Yeah, hey.
Wolverine.
Oh, you are just a sneaky little minx, aren't you, huh? Oh. Hey, did you see what I did with those goons there? You can learn a thing or two from me, Peanut.
因为你爬高会导致后面。
Let's go.
不要爬高。站下。
All right, well, thanks for coming to pick me up from school, I guess.
你可以再下。
You know, all my friends think you're way cooler than their moms
再下
are.
这个，你要自己抓准。
Hey, Wolvie, you want to go get a pizza? I bet they let you cut it with your little slicers.
或者站在这个下面也可以。
Fine. But if I see one piece of pineapple on that pizza, you're finished.
All right, that's fine.
Come on.
You peg me as more of a meat lovers fan anyway. Hey, I do have a question for you. You got the problem with pineapples. How do you feel about olives?
Hate 'em.
Green olives or black?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't, wow, you are just picky, aren't you? Hey, I got a question. Do you like Canadian bacon?
Here's a question. Do you ever shut up?
They did sew my mouth shut once, but it didn't get good reviews on Rotten
这个过不
Tomatoes.
了。
Yeah, I think you were there for that one. It's fine. All right. Hey, I think we should get Australian bacon.
Okay, where's the off switch on you? Come on.
I can tell you where the on switch is.
Let's go.
All right.